Planning a window installation in 2024? Join us here at MechMinds Hub and discover these must-have tools and gear for a flawless job. Let's dive in! The digital measuring tape is an indispensable tool for window installation, providing accurate measurements with ease. Unlike traditional tapes, this digital variant displays measurements on a screen, allowing for quick reading and less error. It's especially useful in ensuring that window frames fit perfectly into their designated spaces. The digital readout can switch between metric and imperial units, catering to diverse preferences and standards. Some advanced models even offer features like memory functions, Bluetooth connectivity for transferring measurements to smart devices, and voice output for hands-free operation. A laser level is an essential tool that projects a straight line of light to ensure precise and level installations. It's widely used in construction, carpentry, and DIY projects to align and position objects with high accuracy. The device emits a beam of laser light, providing a visual guide that guarantees straightness over long distances, which is especially useful for tasks like hanging pictures, installing shelves, or laying tiles. With a laser level, you can work more efficiently as it eliminates the guesswork and repeated measurements, ensuring your installations are perfectly level and aligned every time. An electric caulking gun is a powerful tool designed to dispense sealants with precision and consistency. Unlike manual caulking guns, which require continuous hand pressure and can lead to uneven beads, an electric version provides a steady flow of sealant at the press of a trigger. This ensures a uniform bead, reducing waste and improving the finish of sealing tasks, ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It's particularly useful for large projects or when working with high viscosity sealants. The electric caulking gun enhances efficiency, control, and the overall quality of work in applications such as waterproofing, gap filling, and insulation. An insulation foam gun is a specialized tool that delivers a precise application of expanding foam, used for sealing gaps and insulating joints. It provides a controlled and accurate flow of foam, allowing for a clean and efficient fill of crevices, voids, and joints. The foam expands upon application, creating an airtight and moisture-resistant seal that enhances thermal insulation and energy efficiency. This tool is particularly beneficial in construction and renovation projects, where it ensures a high-quality seal around windows, doors, and other potential air leak sites, contributing to the overall comfort and sustainability of a building. The Window Removal Toolkit is a curated set of specialized instruments designed for the safe and efficient removal of windows. It includes suction cups for stable glass handling, cutting wires to navigate through adhesives, and pry bars for frame detachment. These tools are engineered to minimize risk and damage during the removal process. Safety gear such as gloves and goggles is essential to protect against accidental injuries. Sash lifters are specialized tools designed to safely lift and install window sashes, which are the movable panels of a window. These tools provide a secure grip and mechanical advantage, making it easier to maneuver heavy or awkwardly sized sashes without causing strain or injury. They typically feature ergonomic handles and a robust lifting mechanism to ensure stability and control during the lifting process. Sash lifters are essential for professionals in the window installation industry, as they help prevent damage to the sash or frame and reduce the risk of accidents. The glass section handles are essential tools for professionals working with large panes of glass. These handles use suction to firmly attach to the glass surface, allowing for safe and easy transportation and installation. They are designed to distribute weight evenly, reducing strain and the risk of breakage. Typically made of durable materials with a comfortable grip, they can handle significant loads, making them ideal for large window panes or glass doors. A waterproof flashing tape is a sticky tape that stops water from getting into places it shouldn't. It's like a band-aid for houses and buildings. You can stick it around windows, doors, or roofs, and it helps keep rain and moisture out. This tape is strong and can handle hot and cold weather without falling apart. It's easy to use too. Just peel off the backing and press it onto a clean, dry surface. Builders use it a lot to fix leaks or to make sure new buildings don't get leaks in the first place. It's a handy tool to have to make sure everything stays dry and cozy inside. The adjustable window installation brackets are like helpful hands that keep windows steady while they're being put in. Imagine you're hanging a picture on the wall, but you need to make sure it's just right before you fix it in place. These brackets do the same for windows. They can move up and down or side to side to fit different window sizes. Once the window is in the perfect spot, the brackets hold it tight so it won't move. This makes it easier for builders to install a window properly, making sure it's secure and won't let drafts or rain inside the house. The high durability work gloves are tough gloves made to keep your hands safe and help you hold onto things better. When you're working on a job that could hurt your hands, like building something or fixing a car, these gloves are like a shield. They stop sharp or rough things from cutting or scraping your skin. These gloves are made to last a long time, even if you use them every day. An oscillating multi-tool is a versatile device that's perfect for various tasks, including window installation. It's designed to cut through different materials, making it ideal for the preparation stage of installing windows. With its rapid back and forth movement, the saw can make precise cuts in wood, metal, or plastic. This is especially useful when you need to trim or shape materials to ensure a perfect fit for the new window. Its compact size and ability to change blades quickly make it a go-to tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're cutting out old windows or fitting new ones, this tool can help streamline the process. A thermal leak detector is a handy tool that helps you find spots where air is escaping around your windows. It's like a special thermometer that can see the temperature of surfaces. When you point it at the edges of a window, it shows you the hot and cold spots. This is really useful after installing a window because it can tell you if there are any gaps that need fixing. By finding and sealing these leaks, you can keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, which can also save you money on your energy bills. A professional glass cleaner is a special liquid that helps make windows look clear and shiny without any marks. When you spray it on the glass and wipe it off, it doesn't leave any wet lines or spots. This is great for new windows because it makes them look their best. You can see through them perfectly, like there's nothing there at all. It's easy to use too. Just spray, wipe with a soft cloth, and you're done. Your windows will look as good as new, letting in lots of light and giving you a great view outside. Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to MechMinds Hub channel. Thank you for watching.